Hello everyone, and welcome back to Learn English Audiobook. Today, I want to share something very real and very personal with you, my daily routine for learning a new skill. Learning a new skill is not always easy. Sometimes we feel excited, sometimes we feel tired, and sometimes we even want to quit. But I discovered that a simple daily routine can completely change the way we learn and grow. Right now, I am focusing on learning a new skill step by step, and this routine helps me stay consistent, calm, and motivated every single day. My day usually starts early in the morning. I wake up with a clear intention in my mind. Instead of checking my phone immediately, I take a few deep breaths and remind myself why I started learning this skill. This small moment gives me a positive mindset. After that, I drink a glass of water and do a light stretch to wake up my body and brain. A fresh mind is very important for learning anything new. When my mind is calm, I can focus better and understand faster. After getting ready, I spend my first 15 to 20 minutes doing light learning related to my skill. This is not a heavy session, it is a gentle start. For example, I may watch a short educational video, listen to a podcast, or review notes from the previous day. This helps my brain warm up slowly. I do not put pressure on myself in the morning. I just try to stay connected with my learning habit. Next comes my breakfast time, and I always make sure to eat something simple but energizing. A good breakfast helps me stay focused and active. While eating, sometimes I think about what I want to learn today. I mentally plan my learning session. This planning is very important because it saves time and gives direction to my practice. Around mid-morning, I begin my main learning session of the day. This is my most important learning block of the day. I usually spend 1 to 2 hours practicing my skill with full focus. During this time, I remove distractions. I keep my phone on silent, sit in a quiet place, and give my full attention to learning. If I am learning something creative, I practice actively. If I am learning something technical, I follow tutorials, take notes, and practice step by step. I always try to learn one small concept at a time instead of learning everything at once. This makes learning easier and less stressful. Of course, learning is not always smooth. Sometimes I face difficulties and feel stuck. But instead of feeling frustrated, I take a short break. Breaks are very important in my routine. Every 45 to 60 minutes, I stand up, walk a little, and relax my mind. During these breaks, I still keep my skill in my thoughts. For example, I may think about what I learned or imagine how I can improve. This method helps my brain process information naturally. After my main learning session, I spend some time reviewing what I practiced. Review is a powerful part of my routine. I quickly check my notes, repeat important points, and correct my mistakes. This helps me remember better and build confidence. I always remind myself that mistakes are part of learning, not failure. In the afternoon, I try to apply my skill in a practical way. This is my favorite part of the day because it makes learning fun and real. Instead of only studying theory, I use what I learned in a small project or real-life activity. This practical application helps me understand deeply and improves my creativity. Even if my progress is small, I feel proud because I am taking action. Later in the day, when I feel a little tired, I switch to light and enjoyable learning. I may watch a simple video related to my skill, read an easy article, or do relaxed practice. This keeps my learning journey stress-free. I believe learning should feel enjoyable, not heavy and boring. When learning becomes enjoyable, consistency becomes natural. In the evening, I slow down my routine and reflect on my progress. Reflection is a very important habit in my daily routine. I ask myself simple questions. What did I learn today? What was difficult? What can I improve tomorrow? This self-reflection helps me grow faster and stay aware of my learning journey. Even small improvements make me feel happy and motivated. Before going to bed, I spend 10 to 15 minutes doing very light engagement with my skill. This could be reviewing notes, watching an inspiring video, or simply thinking about my learning goals. This gentle night practice keeps my mind connected with my skill even while resting. Then I write a small goal for the next day. This gives me clarity and purpose for tomorrow. One thing I have learned from this routine is that consistency is more powerful than intensity. You do not need to study for many hours every day. Even 1 or 2 focused hours daily can create amazing results over time. The secret is to show up every day, even when you do not feel motivated. Discipline creates progress, and progress creates confidence. My daily routine is not perfect, and that's completely okay. Some days I feel very productive, and some days I feel slow, but I never stop completely. I keep moving forward step by step. Learning a new skill is a journey, not a race. Every small effort counts. Every small practice session builds your future. If you are also learning a new skill or hobby, I strongly recommend creating your own daily routine. It doesn't have to be complicated. Start simple, stay consistent, and be patient with yourself. Remember, progress takes time, but daily effort makes success possible. Thank you so much for watching and being part of this learning journey. Tell me in the comments, what new skill or hobby are you learning these days? And what does your daily routine look like? Keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the next video.